Welcome folks to another video from your boy Crypto Weapon. We're just gonna showcase Falcon. Now good news when it comes to Falcon, guys. We have completed a cycle. I can show you that real quick. If I go to account, always click your cryptocurrency that you've deposited in. So invested 0 because they've given it all back. I initially started with 250. As you can see in my deposit, and of that 250, I don't have anything in there now. One sec. Of that 250, I've received 125, which is 50% over 30 days, which is what you received at this platform. So guys, it's 50%, 150 ROI for over 30 days. Now I have this left, and I received this about 4 days ago. So honestly, I should have gone in 4 days ago, because I would have received, funds all throughout the 4 days that I haven't been involved. Okay, so let's withdraw this. So unfortunately you can't reinvest, so I can't just reinvest this. You have to sort of withdraw and then deposit. Withdrawals, like I've said many a time, it's 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours, you'll receive your withdrawal. So you just click on withdraw, tether 25. Your wallet address is in there already. Type in your password, so, and then click withdraw. Okay, doke. So your application has been processed. That's all good. Now I've got nothing in there, well, let me go to tether. So earned from 250, I've earned this over the last 30 days. So today is the 20th. I am going to look to deposit. So I'm going to make a deposit. I'm not sure, maybe it's invest. Okay, so it's invest. I'm going to go with tether. The last time, if you look at my withdrawals, I deposited 250, and as you can see, all my withdrawals were 25 USDT, but I had to wait every second day because I was receiving 12 USDT 50 every time I withdrew. So the maximum withdrawal is 15 USDT, so I couldn't withdraw every day. So that's something to think about. So this time around, I will probably go with 300 instead of 250, just so I can withdraw the 15, which is the minimum, every day. So maybe we should do that this time around. So I'm going to pop in 300. No, this is withdrawal. Let's go to invest, is what we want. Okay, tether. Let's go 300. So I should get that. Let's confirm payment. Right. So all I have to do is obviously copy this, take this across to my crypto wallet, and pop in the 300. So that's what I'm going to do now, guys. I won't hold you up too long to sort of show you that I've deposited, but in my next video, when after a couple of days, I'll go through the gains that I'm getting and just showing you how I'm doing in this platform. Now guys, there's a link in the description. Join the Telegram group. Let's talk about whatever you find in this space that is attractive and anything of that nature. In there, I'll try and give you updates to all the platforms that I'm in prior to me putting them out on here. And just a special shout out to Nico74. He's been supporting and has been representing. So guys, please do like, subscribe, take your time with these platforms. Definitely diversify. Don't put too much, guys. This platform you can start with as little as 10 USDT and try and break that up into 2 or 3 platforms that you're happy with. Always diversify, because they will drop off at some point. So guys, just as a footnote, this is no financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. Just sort of letting you into the moves I'm making in the crypto space. Alright guys, and on that note, I am outro.